new idea spreader. It's galvanized. Got the good poly floor in it. Good sides. Got a slop gate. Single beater in the back. This thing's very straight. Talk about something that went up, man. These things have gotten high. Looks like the sides are straight. Right here, there's a little spot right there by the slop gate. The only place on it I see. Slop gate works good. You get it up over center with the whole cylinder. You got that much back. It's worked all right. They've got them on factory weld on the slop gate. I think they've redone that slop gate with right there. You'll notice that they put different bolts and they got it where it'll work, but it's not 100% from the factory on the slop gate end of it. But the spreader does seem to run okay. It is a later model, 3732, new idea Avco. Man, if these things got high, it is a 540 PTO. Spreader seems to be working like you want it to work. I will say he didn't think. So everything does seem to work okay. When you put it on fast, there's a little place there in the notch where it doesn't move the chain. It works on clean out, works on slow. It's a pretty decent spreader. We normally don't have time to give these this much attention, but this thing was good enough. We thought we better check it out a little further because I think this thing's probably worth quite a little bit of money. But y'all are going to buy it absolute at your price.